Power plants, of course, will be looking at the engine. We have specialists in survival factors, operations, and in Washington we have our recorders experts as well as folks that will be looking at the maintenance records of this particular airplane. There was no engine fire, but they were operating single engine, and they reported parts of the engine were missing. One of the fan blades, the number 13 fan blade, was separated and missing. There's evidence of metal fatigue where the blade separated. We located that immediately and sent photos to our materials lab in Washington, and so that's what the preliminary exam has found. And it's very unusual, and so we are taking this event extremely seriously. This should not happen, and we want to find out why it happened so that we can make sure that the preventive measures are put in place. There's no indication by looking at the outside of the engine that there was a fire. However, there are fire wires that when they are, it is possible and even likely that once this fan blade separated, it activated an engine fire warning in the cockpit. But whether or not there was an actual fire with the engine, I do not believe there was an actual fire. As you've seen from the pictures, the outside of the engine, the cowling that surrounds the engine was missing, and a piece of that was found in this location about, 60 miles northwest of here.